guys! Being on the go during pregnancy no way means that you can't have healthy meals. I'm here to help. Let's get started. Starting things off with an oatmeal breakfast or for lunch. I'm adding in some chia because we love a good superfood, and some brown sugar. Then I'm adding this to a saucepan on a low flame, and then adding some milk. By the way guys, I'm going to include a link in the description for these recipes. Okay, now back to our oatmeal. I'm topping it off with strawberries, which are rich in folic acid. I'm also adding peanut butter and hazelnut spread for extra protein and fat, and mainly because it's delicious. The next item is this veggie ramen soup. In a pan, I'm adding some olive oil, onions, and green chilies, and stirring till they start to sweat. Then I'm adding in chestnut mushrooms, some soy sauce, which is also the salt factor, and adding some chopped garlic and some pepper. And that frozen blob right there is frozen vegetable stock. I'm letting that come to a boil and then adding cornflour slurry. After this, I'm adding some whole wheat ramen noodles and a little more water. Then I topped it off with some spring onions, some coriander, and red chillies. And there you have it guys, a delicious, comfy meal. Next is this plum and strawberry crumble. So I'm chopping up 6 plums. Honestly guys, you can make this with any kind of fruit you like. So I'm adding in some oil, ground cinnamon, and sugar. And I'm going to let all that caramelize in a pan. This was really sweet, so I added in some lemon juice and also some water. I added some chia seeds to thicken it. Then I chopped up some strawberries, added some brown sugar to them, and then cooked them till they became soft. And added this fruit mix to a lined pie pan. For the crust, I'm adding some granola, oats, salt, sugar, and oil, and stirring well. Then I'm topping off my fruit mix with this, and it's going into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Guys, this crumble was delicious. I urge you to make it. And at the same time, you get multiple servings from this. I've also been loving these feta spinach sandwiches. On some toasted bread, I spread some hummus. Here I'm using black chickpea hummus, which I made at home. We'll share a recipe for that soon too. Then just adding some cucumber, onion, tomatoes, feta cheese, and spinach, and that's it. Quick yummy lunch. Next is a smoothie with spinach, mango pieces, water, and a little honey. As odd as this combo sounds guys, this is one of the best green smoothies I've ever had. In fact, I'm going to make one right after I'm done recording this. I also made this spinach mushroom pasta. For now, I'm putting the ingredients in the description. I will share a video for this coming week, so please be subscribed to my channel for it. Thanks for watching guys. Do let me know if this was helpful, and be sure to like this video. See you next time.